Right? So in the cross join, okay, every element of right table match with all elements of left table, guys. Match with all elements of left table. All limits will match. Why? Because the cross join with what is not there here, this on is not there. That's why every value will match. If on is there, suppose the previous three, what is there? On is there, right? In the left, in the inner join, on clause is there. Comparison. In the left, on clause is there. In the right, on clause is there. In full also, on clause is there. So comparing and taking the only matching, sir. Am I not taking? Okay. So, but here the output will be in the cross joining as observed now. The cross join, see the syntax like this in the cross join. Selector, suppose SID, comma, S number, that's all. From which table? Students table, comma, that's all. No word cross like this. No word, just only comma, then course. That's all, guys. No on class, like on nothing. So only two tables with comma separator. That's called cross join. That's all. So then the output will be this one match all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This two match all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This three match all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Observe now. So the answer will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. See there. 1, 3, 1. Suppose I'm taking a 4, 1, 5 means what here? This one compare with the all values over like this. Next, start the two. Start the two again all comparison. Start the two again all comparison. Next up 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 like that. Now 2 also over. Next up 3 with all values. Like that, guys, tell me now. Here, 5 values are there. Here, 5 values are there. Total in the output, how many rows will come? Tell me. In the output, how many rows will come? In the output, how many rows will come? So, these are important question, guys. In the cross join, okay, what are the total number of output rows? Total number of output rows. If left table contains all of you. If left table contains left table contains m rows and right table contains n rows then the cross join will be the cross join result will be okay m into n, guys. M into n, like suppose here 5 rows are there, or in here imagine also 6 rows are there, for example. Then how much here? 5 into 6, how much now? Is a 30, like that. But in our example, here 5, here also 5 only. So 5 into 5, 25 rows will be there, guys. That is the cross join. That is the cross join, guys. Clear now this one, guys. Cross join means, okay, it compare all the rows from both tables because of no on clause. On clause is not there. Okay. So the definition is, it will read all the data from both tables without any comparison. Any comparison. That means every row from right to table compare with all rows from left to table. That's all, guys. What is the syntax? Syntax is what? Select either it can be star, or it can be some columns names. Okay, columns names, guys, right? Columns names. From left to table, comma, right to table. Okay, right table. That's all. What is the example there? The example is select SID, comma, S number from students, and then courses. That's all, guys. Output means that all 24 is the output. That all 24 is the output, guys. That's all. How many rows? First table has 5 rows. Second table has 5 rows. Total how many rows here? 25 rows is the output. Okay. So this is what about all types of joins, guys. All types of joins. All of you. Right. So, and tomorrow, in the tomorrow class, we'll see all practically, guys. Tomorrow we'll go with the 2 tables joining, or 3 table joining, or 4 table joining. That all we'll see in tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you all of guys. Bye.